Hello everyone, and welcome to break 5063 for the 2021 Topps Archives SIG Series Active Player Division break. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, June 20th, 2021. It's 9:01 p.m. Eastern Time, 8:01 p.m. Central Time, and 6:01 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have good answers, 1 division, Clago 2, Johnny 2, Pat 1 division. Let's randomize 7 times to determine those divisions for the break. 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Clago on top, Johnny on the bottom. Clago, American League Central, Pat, American League East, Johnny, American League West, Clago, National League Central, Get Answers, National League East, Johnny, National League West. And we have a Trevor Story, 40 out of 88. Bowman Auto, blue ink. Very nice for the Colorado Rockies. So we need the Colorado Rockies division. That's the National League West. NL West is Johnny Z. Congrats on break 5063 for the 2021 Topps Archives SIG Series Active Player Division break. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in bonus 152. And up next is our Father's Day Twitter giveaway. Thanks.